So after many weeks, seems like months of horrible torrential rain, winds, stormy weather where I couldn't get out and fly my drone, finally some really nice weather and I can get out. So it's been that long since I've been out. I'm thinking, will I take my DJI Mini 2 Lassie? Will I take my DJI Mini 3 Pro Caledonia? Will I take my DJI Mavic 3 the Wallace? Or will I take my DJI FPV Laddie? Nearly forgot his name, it's that long since I've had him out. Well, I don't know. I know what I'll do. I'll take them all out, and when I get out, I'll decide what I'm going to do. So here we go. First of all, so we've got Lassie in here. Let's get her zipped up and slung on. Okay, there's Lassie. Lassie ready to go. Right, Caledonia. Right, Caledonia. She's in here, slightly bigger with our bigger RC Pro controller, so she needs a bit of a bigger bag with the extra plus batteries that I have with as well. So let's get, there's Caledonia. Okay, Caledonia. Right, Laddie, my DJI FPV. So I've got him in here and I've got all of my camera equipment, microphones and different things like that. So that's good, we'll get that there. Right, so the Wallace, my DJI Mavic 3, so I've got a hard case for him, he's all packed up in there. Right, is that me ready to go? Oh no, I need my tripod as well. So there we go, so that's me all set and ready to go with my 4 drones on all my gear, and I just hope I haven't forgotten anything, so that's not bad. It's a bit bulky, and if I'm climbing over fences, this is going to be a bit tricky. How can I do this a bit better? Is there any way to I don't know. Right, okay, anyway, so I'm quite sure a few of you have got more than one drone by now, and if you want to take a few of them out, you'll need quite a bit of equipment. I mean, I suppose this means with all this kind of gear, I'm limited to really the back of the car, so I can't really get walking over hills and mountains and lochs, things like that with this, can I? Who knows, we'll give it a bash. Right, hope I didn't break Caledonia there when I was taking some stuff off. Oh jeez. Right, okay, hope nothing's broken. Right, okay, when I get to the location I can take this off and that, and then this, and then that, and then there we go, and there we go. And oh jeez, I've got that many bags. You know something, it's too much hassle. I'll just go and play Baldur's Gate 3. Or alternatively, what about this? This backpack from K&F Concept is carrying all of my drones, all of my camera equipment, my tripod, everything I need. And get 2 free hands. It's very light, very comfortable, and it's easy. Here's where everything's packed inside it. Okay, so here we have tripod. So here we have tripod. Once again, K&F Concept tripod. Laddie, my DJI FPV, here he is, attached to the multiple fantastic, really sturdy and easy to clip on and off straps on the back of the backpack. So there he is, there's Laddie. Inside this wee bit here, you have this. So what's in here? In here, cameras. Insta360, DJI Pocket 2, DJI FPV goggles. Lots more stuff, pockets galore in this wee bag here, this wee case that fits in Easy peasy, like that. Completely adjustable and got lots of Velcro pieces as well. Right, so where are all the other drones, eh? You've got all the drones and things, where are they? Well, look. If you open it up here, and here, DJI Mini 2 controller. DJI FPV spare battery. DJI RC Pro controller for the Mavic 3. DJI RC controller for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Unzip this, and inside here, DJI Mini 3 Pro. DJI Mini 2. DJI Mavic 3 spare batteries. DJI Mavic 3. It's like Doctor Who's TARDIS. It's really hard to show. Show this off to show how good it is. Right, look, in here, DJI Mini 3 Pro spare batteries. DJI Mini 2 spare batteries. What else is in here? Well, there's enough space in here if you want to bring your iPad. You can bring your iPad with you. Right? There's spaces, there's a section in here for your filters, extra accessories for your tripods, filters, okay, pouches galore. And the thing is, I've got all of that stuff into this, and I'll be honest with you, I could get loads more in. I haven't used half of the space because DJI FPV controller. Right, there's on the straps. Let me just put it on. Can I put that on? Right, let me zip it up. Right, so if I move this out of the way, then excuse me fannying about. If I put this on, whoop, the buckle that goes on your waist. Need to lose a bit of weight, I think. You've got these pouches here as well. Now, I don't have anything in them at the moment because I've ran out of kit. But yeah, yes, extra storage space there too. The other good thing about this is the back's completely adjustable. So if you're a tall guy, a medium-sized guy, or a short guy, you can move it up or down to wherever you want, right? Whatever size fits you. It's very, very comfortable. It's one of those sweat-reducing things so that your back doesn't get sweaty when you're out carrying it. And the good thing about it is a lot of backpacks don't come with this. A chest strap and the waist strap. If you've got these, it makes carrying things so much easier because the whole weight isn't on your shoulders. It's your whole body's taking the weight. So this is the K&F Concept Backpack. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can pick one up. And if you want a discount, I think it's 10 or 15% discount. There's a code that you can use. I think it's windswept, but it'll be in the description that you can pick up your own. It's so light, it's unbelievable. You get a weatherproof rain cover that comes with it too, that you can put over the top if you want. I personally don't like getting out if it's really, really rainy. And if you're flying drones, maybe you shouldn't either, but you do get a rain cover that comes with it. So if you'd like one of these with a good discount, check out the description in the video.